Hello students, I am Mr. Devesh Singh, your English teacher. Today in this video, I am going to proceed the rest of the part of this chapter, Dr. Gore and Giggling Ghost. And this will be the last video because today we will be able to complete this chapter. Now, with this beautiful scene, I am going to proceed the chapter. You see from the last line, he saw the giggling ghost, of course. Finally, this line indicates to solve the great problem of Dr. Gore, because Dr. Gore was extremely upset and he was looking crazy in his days, and he was extremely upset that he could not do his work properly. He was only and only becoming crazy. So this news was definitely very comfortable for him, that finally he was able to got the ghost, the giggling ghost who was making the sound. It was not a humanoid balloon, and this ghost was not a humanoid. Humanoid means a structure, a machine that work like a human body, that is called humanoid. The students, in this line it is said that the ghost was not a humanoid balloon, means ghost has not any ability, not any structure that concerned to a human body. It was not a grinning Rakshas, and in the episodes, films, in the movies, wherever we see that there is a Rakshas who starts to smile very, very heavily, very loudly, and everyone is stunned to see it. But this ghost was not a grinning, means a smiling Rakshas. It was not even an extraterrestrial. Terrestrial means worldly, and it was not also a worldly type of ghost, worldly type of thing that belong to the general day of human. It was another thing according to our expectation. It was an old sink with ancient plumbing and an old tap that had run dry for years and never been closed properly. This was a ghost. This was not a ghost. This was only an old sink with ancient plumbing. एक सिंक था जिसके ऊपर एक टैप लगा हुआ था, काफ़ी लंबे समय से उस टैप के ऊपर, उस टैप से पानी आना बंद हो गया था और उस टैप को अच्छे से बंद नहीं किया गया था, वर्षों से उसी तरह से वो पड़ा हुआ था. And the sound was coming from the same tap. It was nothing more than a tap. The air in the half-open tap made a most familiar sound. And this was a half-open tap. So the air crossed from it and the sound was familiar. Familiar means परिचित, known, K-N-O-W-N, known. It went khi and khi. The sound of khi was coming from the old tap. When the air was approaching beside it and it was crossing the tap, it was making this sound. Dr. Golaknath Gore had found his poltergeist and finally the doctor was able to get his ghost, to get his poltergeist, that is called ghost. This poltergeist was not a ghost, it was a tap. The tap that was making the sound after crossing the air with it. Bright and early the next morning, before too many people were about, Sant Singh the plumber arrived with Dr. Gore and went into the washroom next to the study. After a few minutes of slow tinkering with a wrench, the key stopped. Early in the morning, everyone was absent, but Dr. Gore and the plumber Sant Singh arrived at the hospital, and the plumber wrenched it very firmly. Wrench means tight कर देना, कस देना. A metal for holding and turning thing is called wrench. उसे अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट से उसको टाइट कर दिया, चेंज हो गया, और फिर जैसे ही वो चेंज हुआ, टाइट अच्छे से हो गया, वहाँ से खी जो आवाज़ आ रही थी वो बंद हो गया. A shiny new tap was installed. Then वहाँ पे नई टैप को लगा दिया गया, which actually ran water instead of dry rattling noise. जो कि पानी, जो पुराना टैप था उसकी जगह पे नई टैप लगाया गया, क्योंकि वो पानी निकालने के बजाय वहाँ से सूखे हो जाने के कारण सिर्फ आवाज़ पैदा कर रहा था. Dr. Gore heaved a sigh of relief so full of woes that the supply of postage stamp in his letter tray floated all around the room like a rain of Xeroxed popcorn. In happiness, Dr. Gore took a very high sigh of relief with a sound of whoosh कि इतना लंबा उन्होंने सांस, चैन की सांस लिया कि फूंक से, उस हवा से, जो भी उनके सामने जो डाक टिकट रखे हुए थे, स्टैम्प रखे हुए थे, वो सब उनके सामने, टेबल के सामने हवा में उड़ना शुरू हो गया. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कि सामने जिरोक्स पॉपकॉर्न फैल गया हो, जिरोक्स पॉपकॉर्न की बारिश हुई हो, चारों तरफ से स्टैम्प उनके तरफ सामने फैल गया. दिस वॉज द ग्रेट sigh of relief made by Dr. Gore, but he was too relieved to care. But after that, doctor was extremely in relief to care himself, because he has lost all his innocent ideas, and now doctor was very happy because there was no ghost in his chamber, and with a very sigh of relief, with a very satisfaction, doctor once again feeling happy, and he started his job once again in happy mode. Okay, students, Mala Marwa is the author of this chapter. Therefore, we completed this chapter. During the class, student, I had started the exercise. You see here, here are some sentences, and according to the incident, we have to make it in a sequence one by one. You see here in this figure, the second Dr. Gore kept hearing someone giggling near the water fountain is the first, is the line that takes first position, means first, and the second is the last. He could not make out who it was at all. This is the second sentence in sequence. The third is, this made him very upset and almost drove him mad. This sentence takes the third place in sequence. And for fourth number, you see here, he started doing crazy thing. He started doing crazy thing. This is the fourth point in sequence. Now, for the point number 5, you see here, he declared he would find the giggling ghost and splash it. This is the sentence committed by the doctor, and it will be in the 5th position in the sequence. And Now for the number 6 position, number 6 position, you see here, completely confused. He tried opening a second door to get out of his room. This is the sentence that is about Dr. Gore. So this is point number 6. Now point number 7. That door was stuck, and as he tried to open it, the giggling got louder. This sentence will take point number 7. It was the time when doctor had forget to open the proper door, and he was trying to open the door that was packed for a long time. Now for number 8, you see here, then he flung himself on the door and it flew open. This is point number 8. And Dr. Gore fell into the next room and discovered the giggling ghost. This is for point number 9. And now for the last 10 number is second number from the downside. It was the air in a half open tap that was making the giggling sound. This is point number 10. Okay, student, you will write it in your HW in sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And now tomorrow we will proceed the next exercise, question answer. Okay, thank you.